So this is what the final product looks like. I was expecting it to cover more, but I guess it really just needs to cover the electrical aspect of it. So this is a full look of what it looks like with the tent on. Right here is where you could refuel the generator when needed, so you don't have to take the tent off. But this just velcros back. You can put this little extra panel wherever you want. It's just a velcro that's holding it, but it does cover the electrical aspects of the generator. You definitely don't want to cover the exhaust, which is on this side, because then it's going to get too high and you can cause a fire. So you don't want to put the exhaust on that side. But I might have to post another video whenever it rains so I could see if it works, or even if it snows ever again in Texas, at least where I'm at. If you guys want any more generator videos or electrical videos, go ahead and like and subscribe. I'm gonna be coming out with more content in the near future. Thanks.